Hi friends, I'm Ritu and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video ever. Um, in this summer of 2020, I got into this habit of gardening, and I am enjoying it a lot. I have learned a lot of different germination techniques and have experimented with a lot of seeds that are available in our homes, like avocado seeds, bok choy cuttings, radish cuttings, and whatnot. So today I'm going to show you how to grow avocados or avocado plant from an avocado seed, and also uh, how to germinate the avocado seed in the fastest way possible. So stay tuned. So first you'll require a couple of things, and I bet all of these things are available in your home, if you eat avocados, of course. So what you need is an avocado first, which we'll cut open to get the seed out of it. A plastic container. If you can buy containers, that is fine. But if you feel like reusing the containers at home, anything which is tall and which can hold a little bit of soil is great, like this yogurt container that I have. I really like reusing containers, so here it goes. And you need a bunch of tissues, not a whole lot. We'll probably use 2-3 of these. We'll need water. This is not filtered water, I just have an extra jug lying around. That's it. Let's get started. So we'll first cut the avocados. The way we are cutting it is pretty standard. Just cut it into half, twist it, and oh, this is a pretty tiny seed, and get the seed out of it. So eat this avocado, of course. And this is the seed that we are going to germinate. We can wash the seed, and if not, you can just use it like this. Now we'll take a bunch of tissue papers, like maybe 2, because these are thin. If you're using something thicker like kitchen rolls, that is fine too. So I'm taking 2 of these. I am wrapping my avocado seed in this tissue paper. Just like a candy. Now that we have wrapped our avocado seed in this tissue paper, we are just gonna spray it with some water. Here we go. Believe me guys, this is just reusing a Lysol bottle, but it's not really Lysol. Flip it over, spray some more water. Just fold it. Now we are going to let this sit for about a week or so in a warm and dark place. So what you're going to do is keep it in a bag like this one. So this is a huge Ziploc bag. Keep it in this one for or you can keep it in a container or wherever you like, and just keep it in a dark, warm place. These are the ideal conditions to germinate your seed. So I have a bunch of different seeds here sitting and germinating, which I'll talk about in later videos. But yeah, even if there's like a little bit of sunlight, it's fine, but it'll germinate slower So the ideal condition would be just spray a little water and keep it in your closet or in your kitchen cabinet or things like that. So we've kept our avocado seed now, and I want to show you how it will look like after a week or so. Now this will depend, this time will really depend on the region in which you're staying, or the weather around that time and things like that. So but it should not be it'll be around a week or so. Yes, let me pull out a seed that I have been keeping for a week so that I can show you how it will look after a week. So yes, this tissue might look very dirty, but guys, that's what it is. Yes, so this is the seed that I put around a week ago, and if you see that the bottom part of the seed has started to crack open, and it will go all the way to the top. So this is an indication that the seed has started germinating. So first there'll be roots that'll come out of the bottom part, and then there'll be a few shoots that'll come out of the top part. Now we have to wait for another 1 or 2 weeks for it to crack fully, so that we have the root and the shoot before we actually put it in soil. Now I have another seed for you guys that I have started germinating about 2 weeks ago. So let me show that seed to you. Okay, I'm rolling this in the tissue paper and putting it back in to grow fully. Okay, let me search for that seed. Okay, this is probably the one. Yes. Now this seed is something that I put in 2 to 3 weeks ago. Oh wow, okay. So you can see that in this seed, it has, the whole seed has cracked open, and the bottom part of the seed, that is this one, is giving out 2 roots, and the top part of the seed is actually giving out a shoot, this one. So now we are going to go ahead and plant the seed. You should at least see a few roots and a few shoots before you actually plant it in soil. So let's get started with planting. Now, as I showed you that we are going to use this yogurt plastic box to plant our seed. So we are going to make some drainage holes in this one before we start planting. It's very important to make drainage holes so that your soil at the bottom does not rot. So yes, we are just making a few drainage holes. Now, as we can see, we have made a few drainage holes. We are going to add some soil in this one. I am using the soil from Walmart. Oops. Yeah, this is the potting mix, the very basic potting mix. Grows plants twice as big. I will put the link to this one down in the description box so that you guys can buy this one. And this one was like $7 for such a big packet, which is amazing. Now I'm gonna fill this with soil. I'm gonna have to clean this up later on. Okay. Gently pat it so that we level out the soil before actually putting our seed in. Now let's water this Oh, actually, I think I need more. Oof. Uh, Now, if you're using a yogurt box like me, do save the lid so that it will act as holder for your plant. Now, add a little bit of water. Okay. You might have to level out your soil again, but that's no biggie. Now, just make a small hole in the middle of the soil with your bare hands, or you can use gloves if you have one. I don't have gloves. Depending on the size of the seed, just make a little hole. Take your seed and carefully just plant it inside. Just make sure that you don't break the roots. Now that I have carefully planted the seed, as you can see, I have kept a little part of the seed up so that the shoot from it can come out. And that is what we want. And just cover the sides with some more soil. Just spray it with water and just keep it on your windowsill. After a few days, it will actually start growing, and this is how it will look like. This was a huge avocado seed. This plant has beautiful dark green leaves, and I just love it. These are so shiny, so amazing leaves. Even if an avocado doesn't grow out of it, it just looks so gorgeous in your house, and it just makes the house environment nice. So thanks for watching. Bye.